কল্কি পুরাণ অধ্যায় নম্বর 2 শ্লোক নম্বর 1 নিঃশ্রদ্ধায় সদাসাহ বোরঙ্কারো উজ্জিতঃ দেবা সর্বে নিরাহারা ব্রহ্মণং শরণং যজুঃ Sut began to start to story, and he said how the Kali not decreased, but increased his neighbor, increased his generation, and how do he began to start. At that time, they began to start the war. Dharitri Magvrata Kritva Khinang Dinang Manasyanam Dadid Brahmanolokam Vidudhani Nidanitam. The Dharani Mata began to start pray, and he is crying and began to stay. According to the Kalki Puran, the Kali generation began to start to destroy the Dhum, destroy the Yugu, Vedodaya, and began to destroy the honest work. For this reason, the Devgons became very, very sorry, and they went to go to Brahma and said, "Oh Brahma, you are creator of the world, you create all, but they give us grief, give us sorry of your creator. Who creates, they gives us sorry. They takes the food from our mouth. For this reason, we are weak. They take Dharitri Mata or World Mata, and they began to start their story. After some time, they stopped the story and saw the scenery of there, where the Brahma is living. There is the sound of Ved. Dharitri Magvrata Kritva Khinah Dinang Manasyanam Dadrishu Brahmanolokam Vedodhoni Ninoditam. That is, Vedodhoni was sounding there. They saw. There are Muni Rishis. They are ringing the Ved, and there is the sound of Ved, and there is the very good scenery. Very hard affected scenery. And they saw the different kinds of echo there of the sound of Ved, and there are different kinds of Yogodhum, and there are different kinds of Muni Rishi there.